Hello everyone, welcome to Traveling Bits. In the last video, we had seen Mall of Emirates. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick view of Dubai from Dubai Metro. I am going to Palm Jumeirah, and the stretch I am covering is from Union Station till Shoba Realty. From Shoba Realty, I will catch up tram to travel further. To travel in Dubai Metro, you can either purchase ticket or take NOL card. To use NOL card, you will have to do a minimum top up of 25 dirham. Between Union Metro Station and Shoba Realty Metro Station, there are 14 metro stations, and it takes about 40 minutes from Union Metro Station to Shoba Realty Metro Station. The next station to Shoba Realty Metro Station is DMCC. Both Shoba Realty and DMCC are interchange stations between Dubai Metro and Tram. And I will be getting down at Shoba Realty Metro Station and I will take the overbridge to go to the tram station, which is Dubai Marina, to board the tram. However, if you get down at DMCC, you can also take the overbridge and go to the other side, and the tram station would be Jumeirah Lake Towers. Dubai Metro is run by a consortium of companies called Keolis MHI. Keolis is a French company and MHI, which is Mitsubishi Heavy Industries. Currently, there are two lines which are operational, called the Red Line and the Green Line. The Red Line runs from Center Point to Expo 2020, and it comprises of 29 stops and takes about 1 hour 15 minutes. The Green Line runs from the Creek to Etisalat. It has about 18 stops and takes about 40 minutes. Dubai Metro was opened to the public on 10th of September 2009 by the ruler of Dubai, Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum. Dubai Metro is one of the world's longest fully automated driverless metro network. The title for the longest driverless fully automated metro network goes to Singapore Metro. The metro network in Dubai is pretty extensive and run pretty smoothly. If I compare metros between Dubai and India, I would see Indian metros are at par or maybe even better. And certainly if I compare the rakes of Dubai Metro and Indian Metro, I feel the rakes of Indian Metro are certainly better.
The next station is Shoba Realty.
Folks, I deboarded the metro at Shoba Realty Metro Station and went to the other side to board the tram at Dubai Marina Station. From here, I'm going to Palm Jumeirah Station, which is an interchange between tram and monorail. On the monorail side, it is called Palm Gateway Station because I want to take the monorail to go to Palm Jumeirah. Please note, your NOL card would work on Dubai Metro, on tram, and also on monorail. It is like an integrated smart card which would work on all public transport systems in Dubai, including your cabs and taxis. Folks, I hope you have been enjoying the view outside. This is mostly the part of Dubai Marina, and please let me know what is your thoughts in your comments, and if you have any questions you can write in the comments. I will try to answer. tram is available only in the Dubai Marina area and it travels at road level and gives a very good view of the surrounding. That's it for today. In my next video, I will show you my travel on monorail and my visit to Palm Jumeirah. Let me know how did you like the video through your comments, likes and shares. And please subscribe to the channel Traveling Bits for more travel stories and future updates.